Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to add social media link in YouTube video description. Now, in order for us to get this done, I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I mean. So say for example, this one here, one of my video, if you are going to go ahead and click this one, you should be redirected to this one here. So this is for YouTube. And then we also have another one here for Marvel. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get this done. But first things first, let's go ahead and remove that. Alright, so as you can see, here is how it looks without the description. Now we're going to go ahead and add the description. So we're going to open YouTube and we're going to go ahead and type here Marvel, for example, and we're going to click this one. Now, easily, if you are going to add Marvel or from YouTube, you can just go ahead and copy the link here and basically put it down here. And on the other hand, if you are going to do this, say for example, to another link, say for example, Twitter, I can just go ahead and copy this one as well and then put it down here. Now, if I were to save these changes, just like so, go back here and then refresh this one, you can see that now we have successfully added them. So you can just go ahead and click them and you should be redirected to those particular clickable links. And yep, that is how you're going to add social media link in YouTube video description.